Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So the month is ending. It is July 29th. I just actually got my big Epicure order in the other day, which is always a very exciting day. So your customers are excited too. So that is what I want to talk to you guys about, is how to really be the best consultant possible. Okay, you might not have 10 hours every day to spend on your Epicure business, but you probably at least have 1 hour, because what I want you guys to do is to follow up with your customers. Even if you think to yourself, oh, I just have like 5 customers, I will remember to follow up with them. I don't have to write it down. Trust me, even I forget. You want to follow up with your customers to say things like, oh, so has your Epicure order come in? Did you have any questions about everything? About anything? Because I can guarantee you they will. Let's say their order came in for their Korean barbecue chicken and rub and their CCB dip mix. They will probably say to you, actually, I haven't even tried anything yet. My Epicure order came in a week ago, because they might not know where to start. Look back and see what they had purchased and say, oh, with your Korean barbecue chicken and ribs mix, I love to use that on chicken. Have you tried that yet? And then give them some ideas, because you don't want them to be ordering things and then their Epicure is just sitting there, right? They don't do it on purpose, but just life happens. But as soon as they start to make something, they will think that it is amazing and then they'll want to make more. If they keep making their products, right? If they keep using what they purchase, they will want to order more. They're happy, you're happy, everybody's happy. So please follow up with your customers. A rule of thumb, which I think is a good idea because it's still taking a little bit longer for shipping, is I check to see when their order has been placed and to see if it has shipped yet. Because let's just say they placed their order 2 weeks ago and you can see that it hasn't even shipped yet. You don't want to send them a message and say, oh, how is your Epicure? Because they might even get a little bit taken aback and they might go, oh, well, I haven't gotten it yet, should I? Or they might have completely forgotten about it, but now they're thinking about it and thinking, oh yeah, geez, that is taking a long time. So I suggest checking to see where their order's at. It can't hurt to send them a message and say 2 weeks and say, thank you for your patience. Epicure is, doing the best they can. You should be getting your order soon. If you want me to let you know when it does ship, I can do that, because I think they get the email too. But a lot of people don't check their emails, or it goes into their spam folder, so they might not know if it's actually shipped. So check the status of their order and go from there, because you also don't want to say anything to your customer and then they send you a message 3 weeks later and go, I haven't gotten my Epicure order, is it coming? You don't want them to think that you're not thinking about them, or that you don't care about them, or that you forgot about them. So it is good to follow up so they know that you care. Okay, guys? So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you need anything, and thank you so much for watching.